begin our program, I would like to introduce our current officers for DDI, starting with our President, Gail Ansaldo. Wala pa siya here? Let's still give her a round of applause, please. Vice President, RJ Lumawag. Secretary, Ms. Lovely Boycer. Treasurer, Annalisa Alfafara. Auditor, Sara Alegado. Social media coordinator, Janina Ancla. And events coordinator, Andrew Tupino. Ano Regina? Stand up, say your name, and stand up, say your name, and say a trivia about you. Okay? Sige. Start at the side.
Actually, mag-skip ako kay I have 50 slides about myself in my presentation, so sige lang. Ikaw sa.
Sige lang, so dirita! Magsugod! Sige.
Okay.
Ako sir, video ka.
Video kita.
Story time!
Bakit sa makabalok ni Papi?
Videos lang ng ano.
Yes, your name and something about yourself.
Okay, hello guys, I'm Kokoy. I'm the admin of When in Davao. Member ako ng DDI since 2018.
Wow.
Longest running member.
Longest running.
Ako dahil si Paping Brad.
Ang tinood na pangalan.
Pinood ko na pangalan kay Jean. So, pinomoto siya. Yo, what's up? Sa mga hindi Sharon, hindi nakakilala ko nga. Kakilala naman tayo lahat dito. Huwag tayong plastikan. Anyway, papasa ko na yung tablet kay Moses.
Kay Moses! Pretty weird.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Steph Magalian of Journey with Steph. Comment for Julina.
Apple na?
No. Hi, I am Carla of KPC Daily. Ang trivia na ako today kasi sakit ako ulo. Super busy. Ipasa na ako sa iya. X, cross, or I. So given na yung ginagawa, free stamp na yun siya.
Asan ka dito?
For this day, we have 3 winners who will get 2 cinema tickets each.
Hindi ko makita.
Ako, baka gusto mo.
So,
Voice, George.
pag singer or dancer, ipag-prove natin na later.
Never one
You will check.
nagrapa.
Bawal mag-claim lang.
Full-time content creator.
Again, cross, X or I. Cross. Again, pwede hindi black out. Calling the attention, paging po. Bingo, we have first winner, we have Gail. Second is Mommy Aan, wow. And then third, do we have a third winner already?
Running here.
Mag-sino muna dito ang mga nagsalita. Last one, we have a Coffee Co, Blue Lotus Hotel, and Lemongrass Buffet. So if ever you guys will be posting in our social media pages, please don't forget to share some love to our sponsors and tag them.
Required to siya guys. If mukhaon mo lemongrass, kailangan mo kailangan mo mag-post. So please take photos para at least we'll have more mahappy magandang mga kuan din. So even what is a post? Post is free, di ba? There's habang wala pa'y bayad mag-post. So let's post them and thank them kanang even ako mag-post ko. Kung sa inyong hindi niyo kaya sa page sa personal or stories, at least we can post. We can at least ma-ROI sila sa tuwa. Even a bit. So, please post, Banmi. If nakadaog mo sa Gmall, please post sa ticket na nag-movie mo. Diba? I think, sakto naman yun. Diba? Kanikuan man mo. So, let's all thank the LDT. If naman picture rin ka doon, let's post them. Mag-post, mag-picture taon niya. So,
kailangan improve.
Oh, improve.
Okay, sige, ilalim. Next, not originally from Davao and works graveyards at Janina. In his running era, si Tito Venture. Sample. And next guy is a travel vlogger or blogger. It's a name.
Uy, dapat din rin.
Trisha, and then next doesn't know how to swim. It's a name. Si Mami Teres. Sam. Next is our more than 10K followers, Casey. Sunshine. So, first winner is Gail. Next winner nato si Mami Aan. Pinsan yung bookworm.
Nami yung dire, worm lang.
Nagawin iran worm.
Alam Mami Aan, pinsan si Trisha. Next is kaning full-time. Correct.
Mami, dapat naka-skirt.
Ay, dapat
naka-skirt.
Thank you so much to everyone who participated. So, hindi mo naman lingkod. There's more! Now, feel ko booking man ba? Kung mga gusto magdula, please make a group of 5. Group of 5. And be competitive because our prize for this one is sponsored by Coffee Co.
Wala, coffee ko daw.
Best if DDA yung friend group ang inyong hanggawan para more chances of winning.
Ay, dapat din friend.
Just business. Door number, everybody, talikod na. Ready, set, go!
Mas bago ko doon sa harap.
Manyakis magalagang.
Effective kaya ang nasa last si Tito Carol? Or mahuman kaya si Alstin o si Papi?
Walang halong may halong dula, iyama.
May halong dula, manyak lang.
Basta dila-dila, isang dila lang.
Pinulaitan ba yung si Jimmy?
Tulon. Uy, pag...
Dami, basig masobraan na po ng dila, masobraan ng kiss, makulangan sa beautiful eyes.
Len, wala na, halukan niyo mo si John. Direta.
Okay, alright.
One more.
Dili na lang nato ibis kung sa itong final name, DDC ni DDI ni Amata to. Or na to press. Sige. So,
Dali naman ang kausap.
sige na lang ang para mabilis. Isis ako